Ever thought about a career where you can be a hero and help people when they need it most? Becoming a State Farm adjuster might be your calling, and here's how to break into this rewarding career. First, you'll want a strong understanding of the role itself. State Farm adjusters are crucial in the claims process, investigating accidents, evaluating damage, communicating with clients, and negotiating settlements. They act as the helping hand to customers during their time of need. Step 1. Meet the basic qualifications. Most often, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent, while it's not always required. A degree in a related field like business or criminal justice can definitely give you an edge. Relevant experience in customer service or insurance is often preferred as well, but not always required. Next, you'll need to navigate the licensing requirements. Licensing rules vary from state to state, but almost all states require some form of licensing depending on your state. You might need to take a pre-licensing course and pass an exam. Research your local requirements and plan accordingly. Some states have specific adjuster licenses like property, casualty, or vehicle-focused. Preparation is key. There exist many resources to help you pass your licensing exam. Utilize exam prep courses, practice tests, and study guides specific to your state's licensing requirements. The better you prepare, the smoother the process will be. Finally, once you're licensed, it's time to apply. Visit the State Farm Careers website to search for adjuster positions in your desired location. Prepare your resume and highlight any relevant skills or experience, like customer service or claims handling. Good luck. You'll be helping State Farm customers in no time.